Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how there's one way to fix the footnotes if the footnotes panel isn't working properly for you. So if you're in the scriptures and you try clicking on the display or hide footnotes button up here in the top right corner, and you don't see the footnotes actually pop open and close as I continue to click on it, then there may be a little bug that you can fix pretty easily. The way that you can do that is by going to the book menu right here and clicking options. Once you see this book set options window that opened, what you'll want to do is you'll want to click on the synchronous layout tab right here. There's two different types of orientations that you can use when you're working in the scriptures. So there may be something right here where neither are selected or it's just not working correctly. So the way that we can try it out is simply just by selecting this one where the scriptures will be on the left and the footnotes will be on the right. If you prefer this, we'll get to that in a second, but just try to use this orientation first because it's not the default, so we're going to try setting it to that and clicking OK. Now what we'll do is we'll click on that footnotes button and you'll notice that it has the scriptures on the left and the footnotes on the right. And when I click it again, it closes it. So just see if that works. Now, if that works great for you, then we should be able to set it back to the normal way of doing it by going back to the book options, going to synchronous layout, and then selecting that desired orientation. Then clicking OK and trying it out. All right, so for me, it looks like I was able to do that. Unfortunately, I can't replicate this bug, so I can't prove that I fixed it or anything, but try that out and let me know if you have any problems at WordCruncher at byu.edu.